In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides with quotes in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and impactful. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is up and running, it's time to move on to your existing PowerPoint presentation or start a new one depending on your needs. You can open the presentation you want to work on by navigating through your files or starting fresh with a blank template. Now with your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen and find the Insert tab. This is where you're going to create most of the magic for adding quotes. Click on Insert and you'll see several options appear. Among these, you'll want to select Text Box. This tool will allow us to cater to the quote you wish to highlight on your slide. After selecting Text Box, go ahead and add it to your slide. You can do this by clicking anywhere on the slide where you want the text box to appear and then start typing in your quote. Make sure that the text box is large enough to hold your entire quote without appearing cramped, because readability is key in any presentation. Next, we want to add a visually appealing element to our quote to make it stand out. Head back to the Insert tab for another helpful tool. Here, we'll be working with icons. When you click on icons, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type quotation marks and hit enter. You'll be given a variety of quotation marks icons to choose from. Pick one that best suits the theme or tone of your presentation. Once you've chosen your icon, click Insert to add it to your slide. The icon will appear in its default size within your workspace, but don't worry, you can easily adjust this. Position the icon near your text, either right next to the quote or in a corner where it complements the text visually. Keep in mind that balance and spacing help the slide maintain a professional appearance. To resize the icon, just click on it and drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller accordingly. And there you have it, a slide enhanced with a beautifully styled quote, ready to captivate your audience. These additions not only emphasize the quote visually, but also help convey your message more effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to experiment with different fonts and icons until you find a combination that feels just right for your presentation. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to create slides with quotes in PowerPoint. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and happy presenting.